Smart Packing Verification Station. Are you operating a warehouse? Are you receiving debit notes from your clients? Are you facing customer complaints for shortages, wrong parts, or damaged items? In high-volume dispatch warehouses, items are picked using WMS handheld terminals and sent for packing. But this is where the real trouble begins. No clarity on how many boxes are needed. No box-wise packing list. Labels printed in batch mode and pasted incorrectly. No check on part weight or SKU during packing. No visibility into who packed what, when. And ultimately, unhappy customers, complaints, and debit notes. Introducing Smart Packing Verification Station. Equipped with a built-in 15-inch LED display, precision weighing scale, high-speed barcode scanner, HD video camera for complete packing footage, and a thermal label printer, TraceWeigh gives you everything you need to pack with accuracy, accountability, and proof. How it works step by step. Warehouse Management System, person pick items for delivery. Your warehouse management system pushes pick lists directly to our software through a REST API. The moment an order is selected, the video camera starts recording, capturing the footage from 10 seconds before the tare weight is saved, right until the box is taped and the transaction is manually saved. The empty carton is placed on the scale, and tare weight is recorded. The operator scans each item's HUID before placing it in the box. Our smart system checks for correct SKU as per pick list, correct quantity as per pick list, correct weight of the SKU being placed inside. Only if all three checks pass, the system generates a label with a detailed packing list for that box, a QR code linked to the video recording of the packing process. The video is automatically tagged with the order ID, box number, date, and time. This way, multiple boxes can be packed against a single pick list with complete accuracy. All packing data with video link is stored in real time on the Smart TraceWeigh cloud server. Authorized users can access it anytime in various report formats, ensuring full traceability, smooth audits, and complete peace of mind. This video link stays available for 3 to 6 months, as per customer requirement, giving complete traceability and proof of packing. With Smart TraceWeigh you get cost advantage along with seamless integration options. Zero upfront investment on software. Simple, affordable SaaS model pricing. Seamless WMS integration via API. Requires only one internet connection. Scalable to any number of machines. Cloud storage fully managed by Smart. No extra infrastructure or setup costs. No confusion. No manual errors. No more disputes. Why businesses choose Smart TraceWeigh? Zero packing errors. Video proof for every box. Seamless WMS integration. Real-time traceability. Fewer disputes, happier customers. Packing smarter with Smart TraceWeigh. Be smart. Buy smart. Thanks for watching. Upgrade your warehouse packing process today. Contact us to schedule a demo.